Deficiency of iodine causes goiter. Tibia is a bone found in leg. Who built the Rohtas Fort? Sher Shah Suri. Coolest plant is Neptune. Shilling is currency of which country? Kenya. Durant Line settled in 1893. Quaid-e-Azam leave Congress in 1920 or join 1913. The World Environment Day is on 5th June. Eiffel Tower is located in France. Aeroflot is the airline of Russia. Shimla Agreement signed in 1972. Battle of Badr took place in which Hijri? 2nd Hijri. Battle of Uhud, 3rd Hijri. Muslim League established in 30 December 1906 को. Total ocean of the world is 5. Ibn Khaldun belongs to Spain. FAO headquarters is in Rome. Dove is symbol of peace. The largest planet is Jupiter and smallest is Mercury. Who headed Shimla deputation? Sir Aga Khan. Smallest river of Pakistan is Ravi. Sigmomometer is used to measure blood pressure. Lisbon is capital of Portugal. First Nobel Prize awarded in 1901. First general election held in December 7, 1970. First Mughal ruler was Babur. Japan currency is yen. Shark members are 8. Light from sun to earth takes how many minutes? 8 minutes. Arya Samaj was founded by the Nanda Saraswati. Dashtalut desert in Iran. Largest river of Pakistan, Sindh. वर्ल्ड का अमेज़न है. पाकिस्तान joint name 1979. Atak Fort was constructed by Akbar. CPEC stands for China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. Capital of Canada is Ottawa. Indus Border Treaty was signed in 1960. The smallest ocean of the world is Arctic Ocean. Ghazwa-e Uhud took place in which Hijri? 3rd Hijri. Battle of Khandak in which Hijri? 5 Hijri. The largest and deepest ocean of the world is Pacific Ocean. Who is called the father of history? Herodotus. Capital of US is Washington DC. The deepest place in Earth is Mariana Trench. Hottest planet is Venus. Panama Canal connects Pacific to Atlantic. Objective resolution passed on 1949. Warshik Dam is on River Kabul. First Olympics Games held in 1896. Athens. Scurvy is due to vitamin C. Deficiency of iodine causes goiter. Mangla Dam is on Jhelum River.